All right, class. Today we're going to talk about something almost everybody has hanging from their rearview mirror: car air fresheners. Now, most people believe these products eliminate odor, but that's not actually what many of them are designed to do. What they do is create a stronger scent than the odor you're trying to get rid of. Think about that. If your gym bag smells, if your car smells like smoke, if your seats smell funky, and you spray something on top of it, did the odor disappear, or did you just cover it up? That's the question, because masking odor and eliminating odor are two completely different things. One creates the illusion of clean, the other actually addresses the problem. And that's where things get interesting. See, most people spend hours every week inside their vehicle, windows up, air circulating, breathing the same environment every single day. Yet very few people ever stop and ask, "What exactly am I spraying in here?" Or, "Is this actually removing the odor?" Now, let's talk about a different approach. Instead of trying to overpower odor with more fragrance, PURGE was designed around molecular odor elimination, a dual-molecule system designed to trap odor molecules and neutralize them at the source, meaning the goal isn't to cover odor, the goal is to eliminate it. No perfume bomb, no cover-up, no masking, just a cleaner environment. So here's your homework assignment. Walk out to your car, take a look at whatever air freshener you're using, and ask yourself one simple question. Am I eliminating the odor, or am I just hiding it? Class dismissed.